Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to automate TradingView indicators. Automating indicators in TradingView isn't exactly press button, become hedge fund manager situation. It's more like setting up a very obedient messenger that tells you when to trade while you still handle the actual execution. Since TradingView doesn't directly place trades for most users, automation works through alerts triggered by indicators, but you can then connect to external bots or broker APIs if you want full execution. I usually start with something simple like the super trend indicator because it gives clean bullish and bearish flips instead of vague signals that make you question your entire understanding of charts. After adding it to your chart, you can tweak settings like ATR, commonly 10, and multiplier, often 3, depending on your strategy. Then you create alerts directly from the indicator's conditions, typically setting them to trigger on bar close so you don't get spam mid candle like the market is yelling at you. From there, things get more advanced with webhooks alerts, where TradingView sends a signal to an external bot or trading system. That bot can then execute trades automatically based on your rules, like entering when trend flips bullish and exiting when it turns bearish. It turns your setup into a semi-automated system where you design the logic and the bot does the clicking buttons while you stare nervously at charts, part of the job. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.